Hey y'all, so I hope y'all can hear me over the air. But so today's gonna be like a vlog. What I've decided to do is a little quarantine date night for me and Trey. So what I'm gonna do is go get the stuff for the date night. What I want to do is, like, you know how they got like sipping paint, so we're gonna do like a sipping paint at the house because we do got an extra room, car room. We're gonna do a nice little date night or whatever. So I'm about to go to Walmart. Well, I gotta drop Kai off at his aunt's house, and then we're going to Walmart, me and his little cousin Kalia. We're going to Walmart and getting the stuff that we need for the date night. And I also need to get some groceries, and she wants to shoot a video with me, so it's gonna be kind of like a girls outing or whatever for like a couple hours, and we're just gonna get everything we need for me and Trey need for the date night. He is asleep right now, so I'm super excited about it, and he is excited about it too. I came up with this like Monday, so let's get started. All right, y'all, we at Walmart. Say hey, Kalia.
Hey.
Oh, look at the pools. We should get a pool. We should get caught a pool.
Yeah.
Look right there.
That pink one.
The pink one? Well, we're gonna see if they got a blue one. But look, that's $7.88. He can sit in that pool. Can can we go in right here? Attention customers. To help secure, all customers are wearing face clear mask.
Okay.
Oh, for real? Dang, that's a long way. You wanna let's find another parking spot. Come on. Cause look, we gotta walk all the way down there. We're gonna find another parking spot. Cause it's hot. We was just gonna walk through there, Clear. Yeah, it's too hot to be walking. Okay, so let's look for. We're at Walmart. Finally. I hate this Walmart though, because girl, they always got a line, like,
yeah, long one.
even if it's 50 registers open. Alright, so I need to get some zucchini.
What?
Zucchini. I need to get some.
Oh, I think. What? Oh, I found it.
Yep. I need to get some zucchini.
I found it.
Bag. Okay.
Ooh.
So
Very good. Ooh, blueberry. When we go.
Oh, wait, we need some lettuce, girl.
Yeah, because we're healthy.
We're trying to get our health together, ain't we, girl?
Yes. Carrots.
Oh, I don't like that.
I do. Ooh, we can get spinach.
Spinach, baby spinach.
Yeah.
Oh, do I want? Am I gonna eat this, Kalia? I'm not. I'm not even gonna lie.
What? Ooh, some more lettuce. Shredded iceberg. It's a good order. And let's get banana.
Oh yeah, cause I like bananas, girl.
Oh look, tomato. This is good. I have some of these, but it's blueberry. It's like this.
The naked drinks? Yeah, I like the naked drinks too. They're good. I'm gonna get these.
I have like
These are my favorite.
Ooh, I like the mixed.
You don't like these? What? You don't like these?
Yes. Oh.
Y'all, so I was about to get some meat, right? And Kalia was like, ew, that's not healthy. Meat ain't healthy. Well, hamburger meat ain't healthy, Kalia. No, I should get turkey. Okay. Turkey is kind of healthy. Okay. She said, ew. Oh, come back this way. She's boneless chicken.
It's kind of healthy.
She said, ew, that's not healthy. So since we're trying to eat healthy, you know what? I'm gonna put this back because that's a little expensive, and get this sweet honey.
Look.
Are those mixed vegetables?
Yes.
Oh, where you get those from?
I'm getting the whole.
Leaf spinach.
I'm getting the whole thing. I put one back.
I don't think I want leaf spinach.
Me should be fine.
Wait, I don't want all those. Wait, let me see.
It's healthy.
Yeah, put them on in there. Put that one in there, sis.
Yeah, they're healthy.
Yeah.
Ew, pickles.
Pickles. I used to love pickles. Oh, I need to get some corn. No,
I hate pickles.
I do need some corn, but I'm looking for cabbage. You see some cabbage? All right, so this is the stuff we got so far. What you think about the stuff we got so far?
It's good.
It's
It's got
good.
healthy stuff,
Damn.
some unhealthy stuff.
Wait, you just supposed to say healthy stuff. We gotta get some tissue.
And
I like
I like the soft one.
me too.
The horse one,
Do I need to get some cups? I think we're good. Nah, I might still get some cups.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, that's a knife. Put that back. You don't want to cut yourself. Oh, we need some spoons. Let's get the I don't know what to get.
I can help you. Okay.
We're gonna get a big thing of spoons because we go through spoons like it ain't
Oh, I
nothing.
bought the knife.
No, we don't need a knife. And then get a little thing of forks.
We can get Claire. Claire looks nice.
Claire looks nice.
Yeah.
Looking for stage 3, like
Okay.
he loved these. He loved them little things.
We're trying to start
It's okay, ain't nobody gonna get all that stuff in there. They don't never have a lot of stage 3 stuff. So now we gotta go get the arts and crafts.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, let me make sure I don't need to get nothing else for this boy.
We should get more stage 3 stuff. I'm stay by the court.
Alright, we need to find some paint.
Yeah. We found a paint.
Oh, there goes some paint. Watercolors.
What do we need paint?
Let's find canvases first. There, you gotta point it up. You gotta point it. There you go.
We're trying to find glue.
Paint canvases.
Oh yeah, paint canvas.
Alright, so I got the paint canvases and the paint brushes.
Guess what? My favorite YouTuber has glitter. I really want glitter. Look, you got to add glitter to the
Roy red. Grab an orange clear. Alright, so purple and a black. These are the colors. Alright, so we got everything we needed for date night and we got groceries, but we gotta go because Kai is crying. And oh, look at those. We're getting those. Those are $4.
$4, nice.
Yeah, that's a good price, ain't it?
Mhm.
We getting these.
What about this?
So, no, we already got that. Wait, one of the things done came out. But we gotta go because we gotta go get Kai because girl, he is showing out. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna set up like the room, like how it's gonna be or whatever, because like I got some stuff I need to move out the way and all this just to make it look a little nice and neat or whatever. So just watch this and then like I'll do a voiceover. Alright, y'all, so this is the little setup I got right now. It's like 3 or 4 it's like 3 or 4 and PM, that is. And we're not gonna do this until like 9ish, whenever Kai goes to sleep for the night. So right now everything is set. I just gotta, bring the food and stuff in here whenever, and I gotta get some water. But these plates are for like paint. So yeah, I'll be back then. So
alright, y'all, so this is how it look. Don't say nothing about our chair because we had it for a long time and we're gonna fix that part. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna get some more chairs. But anyways, this is our little setup. Hope I'm trying to get a good view. Okay, so no lie, I put Kai to bed and I dozed off. So it's almost 10 o'clock. And I'm just going to go ahead and put our paint in what am I trying to say? I'm gonna put the paint in the plates or whatever. So
alright, y'all, so boom, check out the final, I guess, results. So excuse that, because this is the storage room. Anyways, so I have a paint canvas and some paint. In the middle, on this side, we have a cup of water to clean the brushes, napkins. Food is in the middle, so we can both access it. And then I have the same thing on that side and over here. Oh Lord. Anyways, just forgive us for the chair. So yeah, this is our cute little ghetto date night. This is really cute. And so I got water on each side of our little table. So, we get thirsty, we got that. I got some more napkins and plates set to the side. But y'all, this is a cute little quarantine date night idea. Like, I'm so ready to go wake Trey up. Trey sleep, y'all. So he done dozed off and took a nap at 10 o'clock. So I'm about to go wake him up and we're going to go ahead. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with our date night. I will let you guys know how it goes. And something else I was gonna say. I forgot what else I was gonna say, but I'll let y'all know how it go. I'll put pictures at the end so y'all can see. But I think this turned out really